Hey everyone, Victoria here again from Credit Fix Solutions, here to share another amazing success story for one of our clients. Client ID is 63264, the record. Now we'll call her Jane, not her actual name of course, for privacy reasons. Jane called in for her dad, John. Now they were halfway through getting a loan to build a house and they got stuck. They got absolutely stuck halfway through because of a very, very small $271 default, consumer default. Absolutely stuck, could not move. Now they had this block, they had to move forward and start building. This was the first time as a family that they'd been able to do anything with regards to wealth creation and finally get out of the rental market and build a property. So very frustrating. They managed to find us through their referral partner, their broker, which was awesome that he referred them to us. They came on board on the 20th of March, 2023. On the 26th of May, 2023, after I finished quite a number of backwards and forwards and written negotiations with this particular lender. Sometimes it can be difficult. It's not as easy as sending an email, hey, can we pay this? Can you remove it? There sometimes is a number of weeks of work, document collection, negotiations that we have to go into to get a default removal acceptance. But we did it, and Jane called me the week after to express how extremely grateful she was for her and her father and their family that they could finally build their very, very first dream family home. It wasn't about the score jump for them. A lot of people are getting stuck on credit score. Don't get stuck on credit score. Sometimes it's just you can't move with finance because you have a default or a court action. So get in touch if you've got any questions about your credit report. You need some education. We've got simple things that you can do yourself to try and improve and protect your credit report moving forward. There's no need to necessarily pay money to a credit repair firm to do the simple stuff. Reach out, send us an email, or please head to the website creditfixsolutions.com.au. Thanks for listening.